Viva la Fiesta! This summer at Knott's Berry Farm, the reimagination of Fiesta Village comes alive with refreshed rides, new cuisine, live entertainment, and a nighttime street party. The party continues with more summer fun, including the return of seasonal favorites Ghost Town Alive and Knott Summer Nights. Fiesta Village comes alive both day and night to celebrate the Hispanic influences in Southern California. Guests can enjoy the sounds of mariachi music, encounter a storyteller spinning whimsical tales of the Alebrijes, experience performances of traditional dance folklorico, and be entertained by the interactive puppets and their playful antics. Those who venture through the newly landscaped Alebrije Gardens can meet Fiesta Village's own spirit animal friends. As the sun goes down, the fun heats up with an immersive nighttime street party, CALLE CELEBRACION, spanning the entire village, celebrating Mexican traditions of family, love, and community through color, music, dancing, and giant, colorful puppets. Guests can savor the flavors of Fiesta at the new restaurant Casa California with burritos, birria quesadillas, and signature tamales. At Cantina del Sur, plenty of thirst-quenching bebidas will be served. These cold refreshments pair nicely with the delicious fish tacos at the new Baja Taqueria. Papas Mexicanas brings back a wide variety of toppings for crispy French fries, including a park favorite, the carne asada fries. Not only can guests enjoy all these delicious food options in the area, but this summer's tasting card, Flavors of Summer, has expanded to include Sabor de Fiesta with food festival booths in Fiesta Village, serving items such as potato and chorizo tacos, micheladas, and elotes. Guests can stroll down Fiesta Mercado, inspired by Los Angeles' Olvera Street, and find a variety of merchants with unique and authentic items. New merchandise items inspired by the area include a selection of chamoy candies, hot sauces, and queso. Other additions include carts throughout the village selling wares such as personalized parasols and colorful sorapes. Those looking for a thrill can enjoy the 7 refresh rides reopening in the area, take a swing on Los Voladores and fly through the air similar to the Flyers of Mexico, climb aboard one of the 48 hand-carved animals in the Carrusel de California, and enjoy the timeless ride. Due to construction delays, Montezuma's The Forbidden Fortress will not open with Fiesta Village this summer, and an opening date has not been scheduled at this time. Let's take a closer look at some of those food items coming to Fiesta Village. First, the Baja Poke Bowl, birria quesadilla, birria tacos, carne asada fries, chicken taco salad, made-to-order burritos, cafe de olla conchas, gansito cupcakes, plus many other exciting treats. Cantina del Sur will have delicious cocktails. Also available will be margarita flights. Let's take a look at the progress in Fiesta Village as of May 9th, 2023. Note all rides have reopened with the exception of Montezuma. The rides have been open on the weekend, but actual availability during the week may fluctuate due to construction until that grand opening date of May 26th. Let's take a look. In addition to the reopening of Fiesta Village, make sure to check out Ghost Town Alive. Your favorite town of Calico comes to life once again this summer with the return of the award-winning interactive Ghost Town Alive. Knott Summer Nights is a summer favorite and continues after the sun goes down with a nighttime summer party that extends the fun into the evening. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you're not already subscribed. You won't want to miss any of our opening day coverage from Fiesta Village, Knott Summer Nights, Ghost Town Alive, or Soak City. So make sure you have that notification bell turned on, and you're also following us on social media at the Funnel Cake Blog on Facebook and Instagram. We'll see you at Knott's this summer. Thanks for watching.